Have you ever wondered about all of the courses covered by students who study mathematics major and physics minor at the University of Liberia undergraduate program? Well, in today's video, I'm going to outline all of the courses covered by students who study mathematics major and physics minor at the University of Liberia. So will you want to see that? If yes, then let's dive directly into this video. So grab yourself a bottle of cold water or cold juice as I drill you through all of the courses studied by students who major mathematics and minor physics at the University of Liberia. So we have Department of Mathematics, Thomas J.R. Faulkner College of Science and Technology, University of Liberia. Curriculum guide for math and physics. Students name, students ID number, and classification. And here classification simply refers to the student status, whether the student is a junior student or senior student and so on. Now there is a message from the department that we need to read. The Department of Mathematics, University of Liberia is proud to welcome you to its academic program. Our courses are designed to build up your thinking ability and also enable you to succeed in a variety of jobs. These jobs areas include industry, banking institution, investment, government, etc. Many of our faculty members are drawn from the nation's highest institution of learning as well as the government and private sector. Their real-world experience breathes vitality and practicality into our academic program, which ensure that you will receive a comprehensive and competitive education in mathematics. We invite you to take part in this exciting academic experience and we look forward to being a part of your future success. Now, what's the objective of the math department? The objective of the Department of Mathematics are to prepare you, students, for any position in government, industry, private sector, etc. And there is a famous quote that says, with mathematics, you can do anything. A candidate for the degree of a Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Physics must complete a minimum of 137 credit hours, which is the total necessary for graduation. A candidate is expected to maintain a minimum grade of C with no D in the major and minor areas as well as in English. Now let's look at the general courses that are required. We have 40 credit hours for general courses. So students doing mathematics major, physics minor will have to do 4 English courses. That's English 101, English 102, English 201, and that of English 202. They will also be required to do 2 social science courses. That's social science 102 and social science 201. So you have 1 history course, that's introduction to African history, that's history 201. You have 1 philosophy course, that's introduction to philosophy, philosophy 300. You have 4 French courses, French 101, French 102, French 201, and French 202. You have 2 physical education courses, and then you have 4 ROTC courses. Let's look at the mathematics courses requirement. For the mathematics courses, you must complete 43 credit hours. You must do pre-calculus, that's math 107. You must do basic programming, that's math 109. You must do calculus 1, math 201, calculus 2, math 202, linear algebra, math 204, calculus 3, math 301, real analysis, math 302, differential equations, math 304, probability and statistics 1, math 305, numerical analysis, math 308, abstract algebra, math 401, complex variables, math 402, and probability and statistics 2, that's math 404. So you must do these courses as a requirement for graduation. Now the physics courses requirement, you have 22 credit hours for courses that are required as a physics minor. You have physics 105, introduction to physics 1 along with its lab. You have physics 106, introduction to physics 2 along with its lab. You have physics 205, that's general physics 1 along with its lab. You have physics 206, that's general physics 2 along with its lab. And then you are required to do physics 311,
which is classical physics 1, and physics 312, which is classical physics 2. That's for the required courses you must do as a physics minor. Now let's look at the elective courses required. You have 24 credit hours for elective courses, and those elective courses are taken from your major and your minor areas. So for the major area, you will have to do 4 compulsory electives, and the rest of the other 4 electives you can choose to do NN2. So you have Math 209, that's compulsory. You have Math 310, advanced differential equation, it is compulsory. You have Math 108, that's mathematics for decision making, it's compulsory. You have Math 104, that's elementary probability and statistics, it's compulsory. You have Math 211, which is now Math 412, that's algebra for teachers, and this course is done in the Teachers College. You have Math 311, which is currently EDMA 411, and it is geometry for teachers. It's also done in the Teachers College. You have Math 405, that's introduction to topology. You have Math 406, that's history of mathematics. That's for the math course electives. Now for physics courses electives, you have physics 313, you have physics 314, physics 411, and physics 412. You can choose any 2 of these 4 courses to do as your electives. We have note, electives may be done outside the student's major and minor areas. However, only students at the junior level or above are eligible to register for electives. Any other course considered for elective or electives must meet the approval of the department chairman, and then you have to complete at least 137 total credit hours before graduation. Now this is the breakdown of each of those courses that you must do based on your status at the university in the math department. So if you are a freshman 1 student, you must complete 17.5 credits, meaning for your entire freshman year you have to do 35 credit hours. Freshman 2, you have to complete 17.5, that's 17.5 plus 17.5, that's 35. As a sophomore 1 student, you must complete 17.5 credit, and sophomore 2, you must also complete 17.5 credits. Now as a junior, first year junior student, you must complete 17 credits, and second year junior student, you must complete 18 credits. These are all the courses you must be able to do. Now you see we have an elective course here. For this elective, you must choose either of the elective from the major or minor areas, and the same goes for junior year 2. Now senior year 1, you have to do 15 credits, so you have actual algebra along with any 4 courses from your major or minor areas. And for senior year 2, you have to do 16 credits, and that concludes the 137 credit hours necessary for graduation. And finally, if you do math, you can do anything.
If this video was helpful to you, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook and TikTok, because we wish to compare this course guide with several other course guides in Africa, specifically students who do mathematics major and physics minor, or mathematics major and economics minor at other universities in Africa. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our next video.